Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to another edition of the Top 10 at 10, the only show on YouTube, worldwide, anywhere else that you can find, presented by the Underground Wealth Road, of course, and the only show that's going to give you 10 top picks of stocks every single night, Sunday through Thursday, every single night at 10 p.m. We are the only people doing this, right? Everybody else, they like to give you a little bit of analysis, show you some funny charts that you don't even really understand. But here at the Underground Wealth Road, we're gonna show you how to make that money, of course. But on top of that, we're gonna give you 10 free stock picks every single night. And of course, I'm MJ, the conductor here at the Underground Wealth Road. We appreciate you tuning in. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel because we got heat. I'm telling you, CNBC's not doing this. Yahoo Finance is not doing this. Anybody you can think of.
MSNBC
none of
ain't
them
doing it.
Nobody is doing what we're doing every single night at 10 o'clock. All right. Well, not every single night. Of course, we take a little break on the weekend, but Sunday through Thursday, every single night, we give you 10 top picks. And guess what? If you haven't been watching, do you know how much money that you have missed on? Do you really understand how much money that you have missed on by missing this nightly broadcast? Now, I know you probably got other things to do at night, maybe watch the NBA playoffs or, chill with your lady or do whatever, but guess what? We the only place actually teaching you how to make this money, and we're giving you plays every single night. So you already know what time it is. Yo, shout out to the Skywalkers in here checking in. I hope you did good. Shout out to my Skywalkers in here. Shout out to the Bomb Squad, blowing stuff up, man, catching money when stocks go down, because you gotta know how to play both sides of the market. But I'm not gonna keep you all too long before we get into it, because you know what time it is? I think I'm ready to throw some money.
Oh, yeah.
I'm really feeling like throwing some money, because the picks that we made on let's see, it's Tuesday tonight. On Sunday. The picks that we made on Sunday, man, they were straight heat. And if you missed out on Sunday, you missed some of the price action on yesterday. But of course, we're gonna go over there for you all again. So let's go ahead and jump into those picks. As always, it's always something going on here with the browser. They don't want me to do right. Just give me one quick second here and we're gonna get this thing ready to go. Just give me one quick second here. Bam! Here we go. Last episode's picks, all right? We're going to go ahead and throw some money, because I know y'all made some money, man. Look at all that money to be made, man. All the money to be made. All right. The top station from, let's see, Sunday's episode was PaySign. And I'm going to throw some money for PaySign. It's a top station that we picked. PaySign, add it to your portfolio. It might do something for you. Might make a little bit of money, and we're gonna go ahead and throw some money. We're gonna throw some money for PaySign because they did great. All right, it only says 1.75%, and I know you're like, MJ the conductor, what happened to the other percentage? Check the charts. Check the charts, because some of these stocks, they already went up, they already moved, and you were late because you already missed the money train. All right, here we go. Number 2 on the list, we got Cubiant, I'm not even sure exactly how to say it, but I know it made some money. Up almost 1% today. And for you all that's like, man, it's only 1%. Watch what your favorite stations did. Watch what your favorite stocks did today, and you're gonna actually see that these stocks actually got a lot of good movement. All right, Starbolt Carriers checked in, number 3 station. All right, 0.5% made. Let me get my bankroll. You know what I mean? I throw a couple of dollars. 0.5% is decent. You can work with 0.5% because hey, guess what? If you had $10,000 and you made 0.5% on that, it's just $50. You know what I mean? $50. But I mean, hey, if you want to make more money, start trading options. But you're gonna have to subscribe and get into the program for all that information. But Starbolt Carriers was the number 3 station, clocking in 0.5%. All right, next up we got International Seaways, up a little bit over 1/3%. So I drop a couple of dollars. Drop a couple of dollars for them. All right, then we got Sundial Growers. We talked about this stock on our last episode. So you all love these marijuana stocks. I don't know if you smoking marijuana or whatever you're doing, you getting high, you taking them totes. You taking them totes, right? But Sundial actually broke even today after having a Bomb Squad day on yesterday, all right? And we did throw that up for the Bomb Squad. Check the tape. Check the tape. If you don't believe the picks that we making, if you don't believe the picks that we making, guess what? Check the tape. All right. Next up, we got ASC Technology Holdings down 0.7%. We've got Flux Power Holdings down 0.9%. All right, now those look like they were for the Bomb Squad, but I'm telling you, I made money off of Flux Power Holdings. I actually I sold out my position of Flux Power Holdings, I think at like $11.06, around that range, before it actually ended up, having a losing day today. But guess what? I still made money, and you would have too if you would have saw Sunday's episode. Yeah, that made a little bit of money. Sign up for the alerts. Sign up for the alerts. Good God. I mean, it's one thing to know about these stocks. All right, that's good. If you know about these stocks, if you're figuring like, okay, I know which stock to pick, but guess what? You don't know exactly when that stock is going to move. And that's why we have the alerts program set up, coming for you all soon. We're going to release registration for the alerts program very soon. So everybody, you, your mama, your girlfriend, your brother, your sister, your cousin, everybody can join the money train. All right, next up, we have Anaplan down almost 1%. Denison Mines down almost 3% today. And you guys on the Bomb Squad. All right, I told you on Sunday's episode that this was for the Bomb Squad. So actually, we said it here, right here first. Actually, we said it here first. I told you, we make money when the stock goes up and when the stock goes down. All right? So if you want to get on the Bomb Squad and really learn how these stocks move, right? You really want to learn how these stocks move, join the program, get your subscription, and guess what? You can look like money, smell like money, talk like money, and even walk like money. Shout out to the Bomb Squad that made good money on contango oil, falling almost 10% today. I'm gonna blow it up again because I know y'all happy out there. Those of y'all who are on the Bomb Squad, I know you made some really good moves. So this has been the recap of last episode's picks, and I hope that you made some money, and I hope that when you see stuff like this, you understand how important this information is and you do not miss episodes, okay? Because guess what we're gonna do? I talked to our producer, Steven, and this is what we decided we're gonna do. Yeah, we're gonna run the live still. We're gonna have the live up so you guys can make your phone calls and get analysis and get all this great game that we dropping. But guess what? After the lives go up, we're gonna start taking them down. And we're only gonna put a few pieces of it. So even more of an important reason to make sure that you are tuning in to the top 10 at 10. So this has been last episode's pick. Welcome to the Money Train. I'm MJ the Conductor. Let's get into tonight's top 10 at 10. See, these are the picks coming up that you can actually make money on maybe tomorrow, maybe Thursday. But the way that we pick our picks here on the top 10 at 10 here at the Underground Wealth Road, we are picking stocks for you to trade the next day. All right, the next day. All right, doesn't mean that they won't continue to go up, because at the end of the day, we're swingers, right? We're swingers, man. We're in and out of stocks. We're getting in when the price is low and selling when the price is high. That could happen in one day. For example, I know you all have seen some of those meme stocks going crazy, right? But we also get in when the stock is high, and we sell when it's back low again, right? So that's a part of the Bomb Squad, all right?
See, most of them, they're not educated to know how to get in to make money on the way down. They have no idea. No,
most of you all, you don't know how to short options. You don't know how to make how to do put options, or excuse me, not short options, forgive me. You all don't know how to short a stock, and you don't know how to, do put options. All right. So keep watching. That's something that we're going to have coming for you all in the future when you subscribe, when you get into our course. And let's go ahead and get into tonight's top 10 at 10 presented by the Underground Wealth Road. Here we go. The favorite stations, all right? If you're new to the Underground Wealth Road, I've labeled these stations as the favorite places that you all like to put your money. And as you can see, most of it today was for the Bomb Squad, all right? You have Netflix going down about 0.5%. How fun is that? I mean, don't you just get really all giddy and excited when you're looking at stocks and they're going up 1% or 0.5% or down 0.5%? But let's be honest. You're not making any money on these stocks. For the average person who is actually watching this show, you're not making any money trading these stocks, which is why you need to get the picks that we're going to give you tonight and moving forward, because these stocks will actually make you some money. All right. Next up, we have Amazon. All right. Amazon was up 2%. Good for Amazon, right? That actually beat all the stocks that we had picked today. So congratulations. Good for Amazon. Hey, Jeff Bezos made a couple more $1 billion or hundreds of millions or however much he makes off of a stock going up 2%. All right. Next up, we got Google down 0.16%. Very boring there. Right. Apple up 0.67. Are you people who buying all these iPhones? Are you invested in Apple as well? Because guess what? You ain't making money off of either of those, right? You're not making money off that iPhone, most of you all. And then on top of that, Apple stock is not really making you any money unless you plan on holding for like the next 20 or 30 years, right? Forever. You be holding like until your kids turn 18, right? And they're probably pretty young now. Anyways, we got Tesla, great cars, really love it. Not a fan of the stock right now, down 0.25%. And then Facebook, the thing that you all like always use, like we use Facebook. I mean, they banned Donald Trump, by the way. But I'm sure you probably knew that. It should ban this stock, man, because it's not making you all any money at all. So these are the places that you actually like to park your money. These are the places that, you like to go and buy hundreds of shares on, and you make 1% a day. I mean, really good for you. Really good for you. But as we get into tonight's top 10 picks, we're going to show you some stocks that really, really can make you some good cha-ching, right? Make you some good money, make you some good money. All right, with that being said, we're going to back up out of this. We're going to go ahead and jump in here. I got Facebook pulled up. Yeah, it's over to 200, but who cares? Because it ain't really moving. It's not moving much. You're not making any money off of it. So here we are going to get into the top picks for the night. Shoot. All right, hold on 1 second. There we go. I thought I lost it, man. Y'all was gonna be mad at me. I thought I couldn't find the picks. I was kind of having a little panic attack. But number one on tonight's top 10 and 10 episode 68 is absolutely. That's actually the wrong stock. Don't go buy that one. I didn't tell you to buy that one. All right. I'm talking about this one right here. It's called UiPath. All right. And this stock here is it's a technology company. You guys like tech, right? You guys like tech, right? I mean, I like tech because tech makes some really good swings. And as part of the Swingers Club here, I actually like when stocks go up like 30% in 7 days. It's pretty good,
your savings account ain't making that in 30 days.
Yeah. Your savings account ain't making that in 30 days, nor are the other people that you're watching that are talking to you about stocks, because they're talking about the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ.
Neither is there a money market making that in 30 days.
Nothing's making that in 30 days, right? So, as you see here, stock has been... Actually, I don't have the last performance here on TradingView, but it does have a pretty good volume. Trades at about 1.8 million in terms of volume. Right now, the stock price is right around, was that $76 even? So a little bit expensive for those of you all who plan on buying whole shares. But remember, you can buy fractional shares. You can buy, a piece of a stock, if you will, and still make a little bit of money. So UiPath, ticker sign PATH. That is the number one stock on the list. And remember, these aren't in order in terms of preference. It's just number one. And this one is definitely up for, you all know what time it is. That's up for the Skywalkers. So Skywalkers, get it in, have a really good time with that. And that was the number one stock for tonight's top 10 and 10, episode 68. Here we go. Let's get rolling. Next up, we've got Zeus. Right? Zeus. Not the Greek goddess, but Olympic Steel. All right? Olympic Steel. Trading right now at $36.16. Had a very good day. Went up 5.67%. Shout out to the Skywalkers who participated in that. And by the way, like, I can't stress this enough. When you're seeing the top 10 at 10, you're just a little bit behind on the stock's movements. If you really want to know when these stocks are actually moving, you must subscribe to the alerts program, because we're going to send alerts directly to your smartphone as soon the moment that stock hits. If you're on the money train, if you're on the alerts program, guess what? You're going to know as soon as it's moving. So you missed out on 5% today, but guess what? This stock isn't over yet, right? Still on the money train here. We are still on the money train here, because check out this stock here, right? Olympic Steel, you know, I had this swing here, 26% over 12 days. I had another swing back here in March of 31% in 7 days. So, I mean, look at the swings on this thing. And of course, it's on a long-term uptrend because it's over the 200-day moving average. If we look at the past performance on this stock, you're looking at down 8% on the week, which is, you know, if you caught the bomb squad, I mean, good for you. All right. But it's up 9.64% for the month, up 47.8%, 48% almost, might as well say that, for the last 3 months. 130% over the last 6 months, 171% year to date, and 170% over the last year. So plenty of cash to make. If you have never heard of this stock, put it in your portfolio, put it in your watch list, because guess what? If it makes another 170% over the next year, I mean, I think you'll make a couple of dollars. I think you'll be pretty happy.
On Underground Wealth Road.
You heard it first right here. Underground Wealth Road. Welcome to the money train. And that is the number 2 stock pick of the night. And that is for the Skywalkers. All right. Moving on here. We have the 3rd stock of the night is Wrap Technologies. All right. All right. Now this stock here is actually pretty affordable for those of you all who like to get those whole shares. You want the whole thing, right? You don't want a piece of chicken. You want the whole damn chicken. This is what you get when you're getting with a stock like this. It's $8.27, up 2.2% today. Has really good volume, over $1 million. Excuse me, I don't know why I always say dollars. I'm thinking about $1 million. If you're thinking about $1 million, if you're thinking about $1 million, if you want to have it piled up like Donald Duck, you know what I mean? Like this video, comment below, let me know you got $1 million on your mind, because you're trying to do that, right? You're trying to look like money, smell like money, talk like money, and walk like money. Now this stock here, all right, it took a little bit of a break, all right? It was up at about, and I hit my mic here, it was up at about $8.80, $8.80, back on May 28th, which is actually my parents' wedding anniversary, right? What a cool day to have a high, right? But as with anything else, like I tell you, we get in and we get out. We get in and we get out. Look at the swings this stock makes. 31% here in 6 days. That's one major swing that you could have made. All right. Second thing is, look at 43% in 9 days. Tell me, what stocks do you know of that are not meme stocks that are going up? Comment below. If you know those stocks and you're like, hey man, I made a swing trade on the stock, good for you. I'm glad you made some money. All right. But this stock here is up 38% over the last month, 47% over the last 3 months, 50 over the last 6, 70 over the last at 70%, excuse me, year to date, and up 20% since last year. So guess what? This is a good point to teach you all about swing trading, right? Because let's say if you just had this stock for a month, right? You made 37%. But if you only had the stock, if you had the stock for an entire year, from last year on June 8th all the way till today, you only made 20%, which is about half as somebody made in 30 days. You got to start swinging. Call your girlfriend, call your boyfriend, and let them know, hey, we're doing a lifestyle change, right?
I want to be a swinger.
I want to start swinging. Because I'm getting on the money train and we are swinging. And this stock here is our 3rd stock here for the top 10 at 10. And of course, it's for the Skywalkers. All right. So check it out. Wrap Technologies. All right. Wrap Technologies. And next up, we have Boot Barn. All right. So I know a lot of you all, you probably don't do too much shopping at Boot Barn. I've never even been inside a Boot Barn. And guess what? I really don't care, right? Stock right now is trading at $75.18, up 2.5% today. You know, this is one of those like hidden gems. I look at a stock that has under $500,000 1,000 in volume, and I look at that as a hidden gem because guess what? Like, not many people are trading it, so you know.
Look at all those swings that you could have.
Look at those swings, man. Look at those swings. Man. Here goes one here where it's 17% in 4 days. Here goes another one here where you got about what's that? 10% in 11 days. And let's see, you got another one here that's 11% in 2 days. So a lot of swings being made on this stock, you know, a lot of money to be made. This stock here has been doing great over the last year. I mean, it's up 182% for the last year. So plenty of swings to be made inside of that time period, up 28% in the last 3 months, 71% in the last 6 months. So introducing you all to money. I mean, I'm showing you all the money. Listen, if this information is valuable to you, make sure that you hit the Cash App, right? We got to keep the bills paid here on the money train. We got to keep gas or diesel, or I don't even know what this train is running off of, but we're going places and we're headed to a new station every day. So in order to keep this money train going, definitely make sure that you hit the Cash App because you're gonna make money off of these stocks that we're giving you, right? We're doing all the research, we're doing the heavy lifting for you, and all we're asking you to do is try it out, add it to your watch list. If it works for you, hit the Cash App. But this one here, Boot Barn, which is the number 4 stock today on the top 10 and 10, it's for the Skywalkers. All right, let's keep moving. Let's keep it moving, man. I'm trying to make it nice, quick, and simple for you all, right? I'm trying to make your trip on the money train as short as possible, right? All right, next up we have United States Steel, all right? I think we featured this on the Underground Wealth Road top 10 at 10 before, but guess what? A lot of these stocks, well, I don't even say a lot. Some of these stocks, because they swing and because we're swingers, you know, we're only telling you to get in when it's time to get in. Any other time, we're gonna leave it alone. But these things, they just keep circling back around. I think this stock really likes me. I actually made 26% on an option trade in like 2 days on this stock a while back. Not even that long ago. It's probably like 2 or 3 weeks ago, right? Because it swings like this, 16% in 5 days, right? You got another swing here, right? 29% in 10 days, right? You got I guess it's more recent swing here where it bounced off that 200. If you were watching the episode like 2 or 3 ago, you would understand what that means, but it went up 12% here in another 6 days. 26.41 is the share price. Were you about to say something?
You know, you just gave them valuable information a couple episodes ago, teaching everybody about bouncing off of that 200-day line.
Mm-hmm.
Who else is going to give that for free?
Nobody. I don't know.
Nobody.
There's people out there who charge you on how to set up your brokerage account.
Thousands of
I'm
dollars.
just saying. I'm just saying. All right. Average volume on this stock is really great. All right. This isn't a hidden gem. A lot of people know about it, which is also still good, right? 20 million shares on average are being traded. That's the daily volume there that you're looking at. And look at this stock. It's been jumping like Jordan, right? Over 154% in the last year, 57% year to date, 58% in the last 6 months, 26% in the last 3 months. But as you can see, over the last week and over the last month, it's taken a little bit of a break. That's okay, right? If you're watching the NBA playoffs, you know these players, like they do their running, they go out, they score points, and then they come and they sit on the bench, drink some Gatorade, and they get right back into it, right?
Everybody gets a little tired.
This stock got a little bit tired, and right now we're calling this again for the Skywalkers, United States Steel. Put it on your watch list, put it in your portfolio. It is something that has the potential to make you a lot of money, and that is the number 5 stock here on tonight's top 10 at 10. Now, before we get into the rest of the stocks, all right, I really just want to touch on the fact that if you're watching this broadcast, whether you're watching it live or whether you're watching it tomorrow or even next week, please share this content. All right, our only purpose for doing this content is because we want everybody to be on the money train. We want everybody to make good money, be able to manage their own money, and you know, be able to make a living for yourself in the future. I mean, even if you have $1,000, if you have $1,000 and you make 26%, you know, over 10 or 11 days, that's $260. All right, that could be half your car note if you got a nice little car, or if you just got something that's, you know, very economical, hey, that's your car note, right? I know what it definitely is. It's definitely your power bill. It's definitely your cell phone bill. It's definitely your water bill. All 3 of those bills, I'm helping you knock those out for free. All we're asking for is make sure that you subscribe. Like, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Make sure that you like this video. And of course, share this video, because here on the Money Train, we like to help each other out. So, hey man, don't forget about the person driving the train. All right, so let's go ahead and move into the next and the final 5 picks for tonight. Here we are on number 6. Number 6, Old Republic International. All right, Old Republic International. Haven't heard of this company. This is actually a insurance company. They deal with property and casualty insurance. And I know you all are like, I ain't never heard of that before. I ain't gonna put my money in that. I'm gonna go with Allstate. All right, well, hey, put your money where you want to put it. All right, come back and check the results. Go back to the last videos that we have put up since May 26th. Go check out all those videos. Go look at all those top 10 picks. Put them on your watch list, and you tell me what they've done lately. You tell me what they've done lately.
Who's helping you make more money?
Who's helping you make more money? Who's a good neighbor? I'm the good neighbor. MJ the conductor, I'm the good neighbor, because I'm right beside you here on the Money Train, all right? So here we go. All right, this stock is trading at $26.56, 1.6 million in volume, up 1.8% today. Like we already talked about, it is an insurance company, all right? Doing very well, you know, over the last year, 46%, year to date, 34%. 6 months up about 41%. Last 3 months up about 25%. And it's taking a little bit of a break, like they do, right? I mean, stocks takes breaks. We're not holding these stocks anyway. We're just taking these swings. Like this one here, you know, 7% in 7 days, right? You know, we got another one here. I'm gonna just take it from here. We got another one here, 7% in 7 days, right? So that's 2 swings that made 7% in 7 days. Let's see what the next swing did. Probably about the same. All right, that one did. That's a little bit of baby swing, right? Yeah, 3.5%. You know, so this is one of those stocks that is on a long-term uptrend here. As you can see, this stock here has not been under that 200-day moving average since February. All right, and even when it did then, back in February, it was only under that 200-day for just a very short amount of time.
Minimal amount of time. Look at that.
Really quick, you know what I mean? It's really quick under the 200-day moving average. So the number 6 stock on tonight's top 10 and 10 is Old Republic International. I would feel confident saying that if you are one of those people, you like to hold on things, maybe you can hold on to this. I mean, it's been on a long-term uptrend. I wouldn't do it, but I understand why you would, because if you're a holder and you're not a swinger, like, you know, I'm gonna hold on to this thing.
Man, that's a stock hoarder.
Stock hoarder. Freaking stock hoarders, man. Just holding on to stuff forever, man. But this is the number 6 pick here on tonight's top 10 and 10, episode 68. This is for the Skywalkers. All right. And we're gonna keep this thing on moving. We're gonna keep this money train moving. All right. Now we did feature this stock on the top 10 and 10 earlier, right? The number 7 stock we had featured before. Like I told you before, like when these things swing, we bring them right back to you.
This one is a major swinger.
We bring them right back to you. I mean, this stock here, LKQ Corporation, automotive aftermarket parts. So for those of you all getting like those superchargers or those loud exhausts that wake me up in the morning, maybe you got it from there, right? But $50.29 is the share price, up 1.5% today. Average volume, nearly 2 million. All right, so pretty good volume, right? But here we go again. All right. 76% over the last year, 42% year to date, 35% in the last 6 months, 17% over the last 3 months, up 1% over the last month, and down almost 2% over the last week. But guess what? That's what these stocks do. I mean, they take swings, and to be honest, if you really want like the really super high performing stocks, you got to get the alerts, because keep it real, like you're only getting 10 picks every night, and which is great because no one else is giving you all picks. Not your mama, not your school teacher, not your college professor, not anyone, right? So take these 10, do what you can do with it, right? Get in on these swings, you know, 8% in 7 days. But of course, like for those stocks that are swinging like 20, 30, 40, sometimes even 80 or 90%, you got to subscribe to the Stock Alerts program, because that way you get everything. You get everything that we see here at the Underground Wealth Road. You're getting access to our entire stock bucket, our entire stock watch list. It's going to hit your phone. It's just going to be like, hey man, It's time to make some money, man.
Plus, that's the only way it's gonna let them know how to swing.
The only way you're gonna learn how to swing is joining the subscription program. So you're gonna pay for everything else. You pay for cable, you pay for internet, you pay for cell phone service, you go out to eat, you pay for gas, you pay for junk, you pay for clothes, you pay for candy, you pay for toys, you pay for all of these different types of things. And guess what? Our Stock Alert program, which is gonna make you money, just starts at $25 a month. All right, cool. So that's like less than $1 a day to learn about stocks and know exactly when they're moving. So I'll get off my rant there because if you want to make money, I guess you'll figure out a way to get on the money train. However, this is tonight's 7 pick, LKQ Corporation. All right. And, you can actually ride this, probably ride this onto the moon. Shout out to Skywalkers, right? All right, here we go. Number eight. And I think this stock also has been on here before, but it's just been swinging, man. It's just been swinging. I made a couple of dollars off of this a few weeks back. It is Genuine Parts. All right, they are Genuine Parts Company, excuse me, trading at about $130, up 1% today. So when you see stocks with prices like this, what you really can think about is like stability. All right, and a lot of people really aren't even trading this stock. I mean, you're looking at about 700K in volume, so it definitely has more room for more people to get involved. But I mean, as you can see here, long-term uptrend, it's been over that 200 seems like forever. I mean, when was this thing under the 200? I mean, you got to go all the way back to February. So let's just say, for example, you're one of those freaking stock hoarders, right? Let's just say, you know what, you're like, I'm gonna buy when it goes under this, when it goes over the 200, and I'm just gonna hang on. I'm not gonna give up. Okay, you made 26% in 124 days, which is probably a lot more than Tesla made in the last 124 days. Shots fired, right? Anyways, so stock's been up 41% over the last calendar year, 28% year to date, 31% in the last 6 months, 14% in the last 3 months. And just like anything else, I like to go dancing, right? I would love to take you out dancing here, right? We go 8% in 7 days. Guess what? Stocks are like high risk, high reward, and sometimes when you pick stocks like this that are on long-term uptrend, you get the easy ride, right? You get the easy. I consider this is like a V12. You know what I mean? If you all have ever driven a V12, it's the smoothest engine. It's the smoothest engine. I know y'all driven a 4-cylinder. Most of y'all riding in the 4-cylinder right now. Hell, I got a 4-cylinder, right? I got me a 4-cylinder turbo, and it gets to going. But this V12 right here, smooth. Nice and smooth. Put your money in, let it sit there, and of course, keep your eye on it, right? Treat it like a kid's. I mean, don't let it go outside without supervision. But make sure that you add this to your watch list, Genuine Parts Company. This is another one for the Skywalkers. I'm sorry, Bomb Squad. I don't even know if I have anything on the list for you. Maybe I'll pull something up that might work for the Bomb Squad.
Something for them. In the back.
We might have something here. But this is the number 8 stock here on the Top 10 at 10, episode 68. Shout out to the Skywalkers here. Next up, number 9. We have ENG, which is the In Global Corporation. All right, now I know you all was like, oh my God, it's under the 200-day moving average, MJ. How are we supposed to be on the money train and we're taking stuff that's under the 200-day moving average? Well, guess what, doofus? You don't hold on to the stocks forever, right? Swing. You just make swings here, like this one right here, right? Look at that. 64% in 6 days. Swing. 64% in 6 days. It's like swing and back, out of here. Gone, right?
I'll take 64% in 6 days.
Man, what? That's that Nintendo 64 money, man. 64% in 6 days? Man, my wife would like if I would gain an extra 64% in 6 days. Oh, yeah. Give me an extra 64% in 6 years. I'd be, she'll be really happy with that, right? But This stock here trading at $2.89. It already went up 5% today. So if it's going to go on another 60% swing, guess what? You already missed 5% just because you didn't have the alerts. But I'm not going to beat you up for that. All right. Good volume, over 4 million shares on average, oil field services and equipment. And it's had like a mixed year because it's a swinger, right? It swings, it goes up, it goes down. It's up 138% over the last calendar year. It's down 9% year to date. It's up 60% over the last 6 months. It's down 34% over the last 3. It's up 14% over the last month, and it's down 19% over the last week.
And
so,
you know what was that last big pop? The last time it hit over that 200 days?
If we go from here, right? You're looking at 73% in 19 days, 73, 71% in 19 days. I mean, who's splitting hairs over 2%? I mean, that's just solid, rock solid money being made here in about 19 days, right? I mean, 19 days. I mean, how long does it take for you all to get a raise on your salary? Definitely a whole lot more than 19 days.
Sometimes forever.
Yeah, and sometimes you might not even end up with it, all right? So, that being said, this stock, it does make a lot of swings here. Makes a lot of swings here, but if you can actually see the future, right? And I don't know if you can, but just look at this stock's income statement here. I hit the wrong button, I'm sorry. Look at this stock's income statement here. As you see, like the profit margin was like minus 29% way back in 2017. But if you look right now, profit margin is almost like zero. All right, that's not a bad thing. A lot of the stocks that you all are buying into, they're not profitable companies, so I don't want that to scare you, but I do want to show you how it's made such an improvement over the last few years. So I'm not going to tell you to hold this stock for the next 10 years. What I am going to tell you and advise you to do is get on the money train, because this stock is definitely going to make moves when it crosses over that 200. So Skywalkers, be on the lookout. In Global Corporation, it's gonna make a swing, and I think you're gonna make a little bit of money off of it. Especially if you get 71%, man, hit the Cash App. The Cash App is the Underground Wealth Road. $ the Underground Wealth RD. All right. If you put ROAD, it's not gonna fit. I already tried to use that one. It's too many letters. All right. So, with that being said, I just want to thank everybody. All right, the show ain't over. Don't leave. All right, the show is not over. I just wanted to extend my gratitude here as your conductor here on the Money Train. I'm glad that you joined us on the trip today, whether you're watching this broadcast live or whether you're watching a replay, right? I just want to thank you for being on the Money Train, because you're helping us grow. And the more passengers we get, we're going to add more cars. We're going to add different destinations. We got a lot of stuff going on here on the Money Train. And with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into number 10. Number 10, all right, is TAL Education Group. Now, I know from the looks of it, the chart, it just doesn't look pretty. I mean, you're like, what are you doing, conductor? I mean, you're driving this train too fast. You're hitting those corners, making people spill their Hennessy, and you're just going too fast, man. Slow it down. What are you thinking? All right. But remember, this is for the swingers. This one is for the swingers. All right. So they do like miscellaneous commercial services. Like that's exactly what swingers do, right? Miscellaneous services, right? Doing a little miscellaneous things, right? But as you can see here, this stock, it also makes some pretty good swings, and it's been taking a break. It's been taking a break, man. I mean, look at this swing here, 19% in 22 days. It's really the last one, and it's really been taking a break ever since.
You know, this is a good example of something could be on a downtrend and you're still swinging, making money.
That's it. That's it. Everything goes down and comes up.
Downtrend don't mean you can't make money.
Yep. Because I mean, just look, just back, way back in, what is that? February, it was trading at about $89, right? And if you're one of those people who you're holding for like a year, and you're like, man, I love this stock, man, I'm gonna just put my money in and wait. You're down 70%. You lost almost all your money. And if you had an option, you already lost it. It's gone.
You lost that.
You're down 100%. You got like one of those options in your account that says it's worth $1, right? But 20 million is the average volume here on this company here. And as you can see, it's been all in the red. All right, 57% last year. I mean, this thing has been straight for the bomb squad. Like if you were like part of the bomb squad and you set your fuses and you blew some stuff up, probably made some really good money on this. However,
somebody on the bomb squad reading charts made hella money off
this. Somebody on the bomb squad reading charts, or somebody that just knows me and has been in it for a little bit of little while, has been talking to me like, hey, MJ the conductor, man, what you think? I want to be on the money train. Let me know what I need to do with this stock here. And I gave you the advice. But as of right now, this stock has been beat down. It's been really beat down over the last like 3 to 4 months. And as you can see, like these stocks, they go down and they go up, right? Just went down and went back up and went down and went back up. And so you got to get used to making swing trades here on the money train. But like I said, this stock here, I'm actually throwing this up to the Skywalkers. My bold prediction for this stock is that it is going to start going back up really soon. It's actually starting to do, a little trend. It's making baby steps, right? Of course, with every stock that we do, I want you to exercise caution because this is not financial advice. You're just riding on the money train. But if you can see, this stock here, what is that? About May 26th was about 10, 15, 2 weeks ago, something like that. 2 weeks ago, it did 18% in a freaking day. 18% in a day. So that's what I'm saying. Like, if you're watching like these other shows, they're gonna tell you sell. Just like this platform here has it listed as a sell. But guess what? I wish they would add like another piece on the chart for me, like for swing. It's like strong buy, neutral, sell, strong sell, swing. See, but I would love that.
That's that info that they're holding for themselves.
I would love that. That's the insider info that the people aren't really getting you. So so we're gonna go and have a quick chat for a second here. I'm sure that you all really enjoyed the top 10 at 10 tonight. I really want to make sure that you like this video, you're sharing this video, you're subscribing to this video. Shout out to Stetson. Can't wait to meet you, man. Can't wait till you come visit Adriel. Gonna make sure I roll my R here because I'm on live. I don't want your wife to get mad at me for saying the name wrong, right? She's gonna be like, MJ, I am kicking you off the money train. You're gonna be on the bomb squad, and I'm not talking about money. I'm gonna blow your ass up for real. All right. So look. Thanks for tuning in to the top 10 and 10. We are not done yet, right? We're not done yet because now we need to have an educational moment. Now that I've given you the picks, I want to give you some conditioner, right? Like, give you a little bit of conditioner, soften you up, make sure you're moisturized.
You're ready.
Yeah, we want to make sure that you're ready, right? I got one article that I want to go over. Then, if I need to, I'm gonna open up the phone lines. But if not, I'm gonna stop this train here, open up the doors, and I'm gonna let you go on about your business. But here we go. If you are a millennial, here it says here, more millennial investors are actually thinking about managing their own money with do-it-yourself investing.
There you go.
Do-it-yourself invest. I do it myself. I haven't had a job in almost 4 years, and that does not mean I've actually made more money not having a job than I had. And guess what? I'm not knocking anybody who has a job. Like, I'm not one of those people who's like, this is the only way to do it. You need to quit your job. You need to take care of your whole family. You need to feed the whole community. I'm not that type of person. Here on the money train, guess what? You grab your seat and I'm taking you to the destination with me. All right. No matter what ticket you got, whether you're in coach or economy or first class or business elite, as long as you're on the money train, we're going to go to the money together. And that's right. A lot of millennial investors are wanting to manage their own money. You know why? Because when you put your money in the savings account, you get like what, 0.25% return? That's pretty terrible.
Less than 1% a whole year.
That's what I'm saying. Like 0.25%, yeah. Man, that's trash.
Some people go all year and make a penny.
That's trash. Would you want to get 0.25% on your investment, or you want to make 18% in one day, like some of the stocks that we've shown you, right? Yeah, I would imagine, right? I'll just jump into a quick few pieces here, right? Millennial investors have jumped into the stock market in a big way over the past year, with about 2 million new trading accounts being opened across the country. But guess what? Out of those 2 million people, how many people know exactly what to buy? If you were watching our episode a few weeks ago, I guess, we talked about how most people actually lose money. I don't care what you're buying. I don't care what you're looking at. Most people who trade and buy themselves, they lose money. But guess what? You don't have to do that here, because you're on the money train and you're going to get those alerts, and you're not going to be trading by yourself, right? We got a whole train worth of people that you can get with, you can network with.
It's a community.
It's a community, right? It's
we
a
all
community.
Want to make money together, man.
It's a community vehicle, right? It's like when you and someone else share a car, but except this is a whole freaking train, all right? So they did a survey. They said the survey found about 3 million Canadians plan to stop working with a financial advisor this year. Sucks for them. And many many who want to become do-it-yourself investors are between the ages of 24 and 40, all right? For you all who are wondering how old I am 33 years old. So I'm smack dab in the middle of that, right? Survey found 34% of millennials plan to start working with a financial advisor or are seriously considering. They just said that. They just said that twice, and that's why you just can't trust everything that's being written up. But seriously though, right? You don't need a financial advisor. You really don't need a financial advisor, right? If you want to figure out how to actually swing trade and make a little bit of money. No, I'm not a financial advisor, but I am one of the few people. We are one of the few people here at the Underground Wealth Road that's here to help you build wealth. So go ahead, fire your financial advisor, get rid of them, send them off to the bomb squad. Send them off to the bomb squad, get rid of them, all right? And I will make sure that I share the link for the article here in the chat, just in case you guys want to do a little bit of reading, right? If you guys want to read, you guys want to do your research and check on everything that's going on, I'll make sure I post a link here in the article. I'll make sure I post a link in the chat for you all, right? Just to make sure you all know what's going on. Now, with that being said, right, got a couple of viewers in here. I'm going to do something that we haven't done just yet. I'm gonna open up those phone lines, all right? Let's go on back here. The number is actually on this side. Psych, I tricked you, right? We're gonna go ahead and jump right into the phone line. So if you have questions, if you have concerns, if you have a certain stock that you're looking at, if you have comments about the show, if you wanna join the money train, whatever you need, call up, right? If you wanna join the bomb squad, call up. If you wanna join the money train, call up. The number is right here above my head, all right? 678-653-1412 is your access to the only company or community or you know what? Just you get to talk straight to the conductor, right? We're not social distancing away from you all here on the money train. Let me get this phone open so we can go ahead and see if we get any phone calls here, right? Go ahead, call in. You're getting free analysis on a stock, right? You're gonna get free financial it's not financial advice. Nope, you get free financial analysis and guidance, right? If you just dial in, the phone lines are open right now. 678-653-1412. That is your access to MJ the Conductor, and of course producer Steven right here with me. Go ahead, give us a call. Let us know what's on your mind. Let's take a look at some of the stocks that you got in your portfolio.
Maybe something you got up in there, we could pull it up and analyze it for you now.
Exactly. You know, if you
let you know what direction you look like you may be going in.
Yeah, you know, I can let you know. We did some analysis for a one of our viewers about 2 weeks ago. It was
actually last week.
That book company.
Yeah.
That book company. They used to make the books.
Week.
They used to make the books when I was in like elementary school or something like that.
Oh yeah.
But decent company. We got him in. He was asking, should he sell? You know, we told him, hey man, hang on for a bit.
Because you know what? He actually did make a good investment choice.
If I'm not mistaken, he was up about 300% over the last year. So he did really well. Very solid investment made. And we just let him know, man, hey, hang on in there, right? Hang on in there, stay on that money train, and you know, keep doing your thing. But Listen, I know most of you all who are millennials, I know you probably can't talk to your parents about investing. You probably can't talk to your friends. Depending on what kind of friends you have, you probably can't talk to them about investing, which is why you want to make sure that you call into the show. Like there's that other show with that old white guy, not going to say his name. I have nothing against them, right? He's not a millennial. Who else can you call that's a millennial that's going to give you stock
Somebody
advice?
that's going to relate to you.
Relatable. I'm very relatable, right? All I'm here to do is build a little bit of wealth, man. Black wealth builder, right? And if you're not black, that's still okay. I'll build wealth for you. We got a seat for you on the money train too. Got a seat for everybody.
For everybody.
Everybody gets on the money train, equal opportunity train that we have going on here. So 678-653-1412 is the number that we have here for your personal access to your financial advisor. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna start. You know what I'm gonna do? Instead of, I'm still gonna wait for you guys to make a call, all right? Because I know that somebody has a question, right? But I actually got somebody that I want to call and get them on the line here, who they've actually made a little bit of money off of some of our trades here. I think we just had somebody call in, but see the way this phone is set up, here we go. We got a call coming in right now. Let me go ahead and get set up here.
We got on.
1 second here. Let me get these headphones on. What's going on, MJ the Conductor? Welcome to the Underground Wealth Road. Who we got calling here tonight? I think I lost him. I'm gonna call him back. I'm gonna call him right back. I'm gonna call him back. Let's go ahead and give him a ring back. If I just missed your phone call, couldn't get him. We're gonna go ahead and get him back on the line. If you just call in, make sure that you give us a call back. I missed the phone call. I had this thing on silent. Make sure that you're not getting disturbed.
Everybody has technical difficulties, man.
Yeah, I just want to make sure that you're not getting disturbed. That's it. I want to make sure you're not getting disturbed here, all right? So 678-653-1412 is the number to go ahead and call. Steven, is this your number?
No, that's not my number.
Let's go ahead and give him a call. We're going to give you a call back. Oh, here we go. They're calling back. They're calling back here. What's going on? MJ the Conductor here, Underground Wealth Road. Who we got on the line here?
Oh, he's calling in.
Step, what's up, man? How you doing, brother?
I love it. I love every second of it.
Yeah, man. I'm glad you really enjoy it, man. We got a few kinks to work out here with the phone lines, but me and Steven, we can hear you loud and clear. All right.
Oh, let me tell you something. If anybody's listening and they listening live or they're gonna watch it later, I'm gonna tell y'all right now. If y'all not tuning into the show, y'all listen to something special, man. Because all you guys who don't have the big bucks, the $100,000, the $1 million sitting in the account, they dump $100,000 to play with. So all us little guys that sitting down on the sideline, the everyday working people that want to take their money and invest in something special, this is the place to tune into, man. I'm making money with you guys, bro.
We appreciate you. We appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. We definitely appreciate you, Stat, man.
We making big money messing with you guys, man. And listen, for all the guys who want to make $1 million overnight, it ain't gonna happen. Unless you got $1 million, it ain't gonna happen.
That's right. Facts.
You want to turn that 10 to 20, that 20 to 50, that 50 to 100. Tune into the right show, man. This show will get you right where you need to be, man. Make sure them kids go to university, not just community colleges. You know what I mean?
Big facts.
That's a family man right there.
Big facts, man. Big facts.
I appreciate you guys so much, man. Everything you guys are doing, I'm tuning in every day, man, and I tell everybody around me, tune in, because something special is happening right here, man. You guys giving away gems for free.
Big facts, man. Big facts. Appreciate you tuning in, Stat, man. Give us a call anytime, man.
I appreciate you, brother.
Yes, sir.
Easy,
Hey, yes, sir, man. Welcome to the Money Train. Stay on it, man. You have a good night, bro.
Staying on it. We on it.
Yes, sir. Money. All right, Stat.
All right,
Yes, sir. You too, big dog. All right. Yo, Eric. Okay, drop a video of the top 10 stocks under $10. You know what?
We could do that.
Come back tomorrow.
Yeah.
Come back tomorrow.
That.
I'll do that especially for you tomorrow, Eric. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Looks like you already subscribed. We appreciate your support. tomorrow night at 10 o'clock, we're going to do this for Mr.
You know what?
Eric.
Sound the train horn for Eric right there.
Eric just got on the money train. Eric just got on the money train, man. Tomorrow night at 10 o'clock, we are going to do a personal top 10 stocks under $10 just for you, Eric. We're going to do that because we know a lot of people out here.
My man said he need all the chicken. We got you, baby.
Give me some chicken, man.
We got you.
I want some chicken.
We got you.
What you ate for dinner tonight?
I have some chicken.
Some chicken. Man,
I
already been on the chicken.
And I have some chicken today, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my man E. You on the money train? We got you, baby.
Hey, we got you, man. Show up tomorrow night, man. We got you. We're gonna make sure you're taken care of, man. We're gonna give you some real good stock picks, man. Mm-hmm. Actually, I'm gonna do something special for you, Eric. I'm gonna do something special because let me tell you something about me, Eric. If you're just tuning in, or I don't know if you're somebody who's in Atlanta or maybe across the world or wherever. One thing about me is
I think E in Fort Lauderdale.
Fort Lauderdale.
Oh yeah, man,
down in that Florida.
Fort Lauderdale, money in the building.
Hey, what I'm gonna do for you. All right. Now we're gonna talk about it tomorrow. But I'm gonna give you 2 stocks that I'm very bullish in out of my own personal portfolio. All right, that's under $10. I'm gonna do that for you. I'm gonna do that for you here tonight. MJ the Conductor, I'm gonna do that special thing for you tonight, Eric, because you've been showing so much support and we really appreciate that. All right, here we go. 2 stocks. All right, I'll give you 2 stocks. Stock number 1 is Provention Bio.
Woo!
Pull it up for you. I'm gonna pull it up for you.
Hit the cha-ching for that one. Oh man.
Provention Bio. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that up for you, Eric. I'm gonna pull that up for you. All right, here we go. You see this stock right here? It's about to hit that 200. All right, and the last time it hit that 200. Now remember, this is something that's in my own personal portfolio. I'm not gonna steer you the wrong way. All right, last time it hit that 200 and crossed, you went on a run of 50% in 8 days. All right, now obviously I can't guarantee that that's what's gonna happen this time around. That's that's not what we're here for. All right, we can't guarantee anything, but what we do is we do our research and we got an outstanding track record of picking these stocks. All right, Fort Lauderdale, I like that.
Mm-hmm. That's my man right there. Cheers. Nobody said you can't make money while you're drinking, baby.
Nobody said that. But my bad. I didn't even pull up the chart. I thought it was pulled up. All right, let me go ahead and get that back up for you, Eric. All right, here we go. Provention Bio. All right, check that out right there. As you can see right there, I got to get used to these hands, right? This hand goes this way. This hand goes that way. All right. This stock here, the last time that it crossed over this 200-day moving average here, as you can see, 51% in about 8 days. All right, so right now, as you can see, let me slide this over a little bit because you can't see because my giant head is in the way. Here you go right here. Right, we're just getting ready to cross the 200-day moving average again. This is something that I have in my personal portfolio. All right, it's going up 13% in the last 2 days, so we cashing out over here. And like you said, you want that chicken, man. The real chicken, the real full course meal is gonna be in that alerts program. And you know what we're gonna do? Cause look, I like the people who support us from the beginning. Eric, when we drop that alerts program, I'm gonna grandfather you in. I'm gonna get it to you for free. I'm gonna go ahead and let Eric in for free because that's what you get when you support us. When you support the Underground Wealth Road and you are on the money train, we gonna give you prizes, man. And it ain't no peanuts like on the airplane, man. We give you real prizes. So that's 1 stock that I'm gonna give you. Now I'm gonna give you 10 new stocks tomorrow, Eric, under $10, right? But that's 1 stock out of my personal portfolio that is under $10 right now. It's at $7.77, all right? All right. So, and it also has a 52-week high of $20, right? So if you can catch that up from $7 to $20, man, you're gonna make some freaking money.
And imagine
money, man.
Option going on.
Oh, man, don't even talk about that. Don't let them on that side of the train just yet, Steven. Don't let them on that side of the train yet. So that's 1. The second stock that I got for you here, me and Steven actually hold this position. All right, it's called AMPO Pharmaceuticals, AMPE. All right, AMPE. Now, it's kind of been dancing around that 200
the past couple days.
200-day moving average, right? It just crossed it, right? But the good thing is, is that the stocks that are like $5 or $7, right? It doesn't really require a lot of movement for you to actually make a decent amount of money. See, if a stock goes up $10 and it's already $100, you only made 10%. But if a stock is $1 and it goes up $10, good grief, you made 1,000% on that investment, right? And so as you can see here,
anybody would like to make 1,000%.
you want to make 1,000%, holla at your boy. I've done it before. All right, so here we go. All right, this stock, the last time it went on a run, it went on a run of 27% over a 7-day span, and this was when it crossed over that 200-day moving average. Now I don't know or can't say for sure whether it has enough steam to do another 27% this time around. However, our goal here is just to introduce you to the stocks. When we drop the course, you're going to understand how to read these charts a little bit more. But this stock here is up almost 8% in the last 3 days, right? Almost 8% in the last 3 days. And if you do trade options, I'll just let you know that this stock has been very well with me and Steven. Like I said, full transparency. We're gonna let you know exactly what's going on here. I'm gonna have to pull up my other screen just so I can see exactly what's showing on the phone here. All right. But as you can see there, it gotta adjust, man. It gotta adjust, man. I'll have a screenshot for you all tomorrow. But right now, today it was a 96% return on that option. 96%, and over the course of the last few days, up 140%. All right. One thing you learn about options is that you always can't sell at that exact price that you have it at. However, that's where we at right now. So those are two stocks that you can add to your portfolio, Eric.
Hey, I just realized I got 116% return today on that.
Good money. Good money. Good money. All right. So those are two stocks that you all definitely can check out, definitely can look at over the course of your trading journey, over your time on the money train here at the Underground Wealth Road. And we're going to go ahead and wrap up tonight's broadcast. It's been a pleasure driving you all from one destination to another.
Share it with your friends and family, with your co-workers, your neighbors, everybody.
Here on the Underground
Build
Wealth
the
Road.
community.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here on the Underground Wealth Road, our goal is to teach you the untaught paths to wealth and financial freedom. This is just one of the ways that we do that. We do have a lot of other courses unrelated to stocks coming soon. We got courses, we got interviews, we got a lot of things coming on right now. I mean, a lot of money that's going to be made for you all, for your family, for your future. And so all we ask you to do is just go ahead, and I'm still trying to get these freaking hand signals together. Go ahead, like, and it's down here.
There we go.
Like and share this video. Make sure you tell a friend and tell them to tell a friend and tell them to tell a friend and tell them to tell somebody who's trying to make some money. This has been another episode of the Underground Wealth Road's Top 10 at 10, presented by the Underground Wealth Road, MJ the Conductor. Shout out to the producer Steven here. We're here to make you all money. I hope you all make a lot of money off of some of these picks that we have made tonight. Hell, maybe even all of them. But I appreciate your support. We're gonna see y'all later. Good night.
'Cause I look like money, smell like money, talk like money.